Welcome back to Speed Rush Motors. Today, we're checking out something that honestly shouldn't even exist. This is the most weirdest bike of the world 2025. And trust me, it's weird in all the wrong ways. First off, let's talk about how it looks. The design is just confusing. The front wheel is tiny, the rear wheel is huge, and they don't match at all. It's like two completely different bikes got into a fight and this was the result. The frame is bent in weird angles, the seat is made from some kind of hard rubber that feels like you're sitting on a rock, and the overall size. Way too small in the front, way too tall in the back. It doesn't even look safe. Now the riding position, it's a complete nightmare. The handlebars are super wide, but they sit so low that your arms feel like they're doing a workout the entire time. Your knees are almost touching your chest, and your back starts hurting in under 5 minutes. Nothing about it feels natural. It's like the designer never sat on a bike before. The performance? Yeah, no, it's got a 125cc engine that sounds like a blender filled with nails. You twist the throttle and the bike takes a second to think about it, then slowly moves forward like it's struggling. Top speed is around 35 kilometers per hour, and that's if you're going downhill with the wind on your side. Going uphill? Just forget it. You'll be pushing it before you reach the top. And the brakes, easily the scariest part. The front brake barely grabs, and the rear brake just makes a loud screech without actually slowing you down. I had more stopping power on a bicycle when I was 12. If you're riding this thing in traffic, you're basically putting your life in your own hands. The suspension is a joke. It bounces around on every little bump like it's made of springs from a sofa. Every pothole feels like an earthquake. There's no comfort at all. You feel everything, and not in a good way. Then we get to the features. There's one side mirror, and it's pointed straight at the sky. The digital speedometer flickers like it's haunted and shows random numbers. 1 second you're doing 12 kilometers per hour, the next it says 144. The headlight only works when the engine is off, and the horn. It sounds like a sick duck. Seriously, it's hilarious, and sad. Nobody knows who designed this thing, or why. Maybe it was someone's first time building a bike. Maybe it was a dare. Maybe aliens dropped it here as a joke. Whatever the reason, it's here, and it's probably the worst bike we've ever ridden.